Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shanika. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Comment below so I know, okay? Been here before? I appreciate you coming back. I am loving this ponytail, so I'm gonna get right to it, okay? My hair's already slicked up. Nothing special. This is the ponytail that I'm gonna be using. It is listed in the description box below, okay? Nice. Oh, surprise to me. This is actually a one piece. It has a bang attached to it. This part is going to go over your bun. And this is the bang part. And it does have clips. So get her put in. I'm making sure that the drawstring part is at the back of my head, okay? I'm inserting the comb. Covering over my bun, I'm going to insert the other comb. I'm going to take the drawstring, give it a pull. Since it has this on the top, I'm just going to take this part and I'm going to ball it and tuck it under. My hairpin and just pulling that down to cover it up, okay? And now I'm going to work with these bangs. Just going to unclip them both. Take the comb and push it up. And snap that close. And do the same thing to this side. Just take the comb and push it up and snap it close. All right. All done. That's cute. I like it. It's really soft and silky. Yes. I don't think it'll tangle easily. It's really quick and you get a cute look. All right. I like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.